Namaste all. Mrs. Maithili Varadarajan, Reiki Master Teacher from Bangalore. Today I would like to introduce you to a new concept of Feng Shui. It is the Chinese method of correcting the elements in a home: fire, water, metal, earth and wood. These are the 5 elements according to the Feng Shui. The balance of these elements in a home lead to happy living and attracting good situations in life, good situations in finances, good situation in the name, fame and prosperity of the family, children's education being good, family leading a peaceful life, all the relationships between the spouse being healthier, lot of helpful people around, and we may attract all these things. Of late, I find many people buying the Feng Shui gadgets and keep them in their houses. And that always helps, no doubt. But firstly, the elements should be in balance in the homes. One most important thing I would like to say, it is about the circulation of the energy, the movement of the energy, the light, the circulation of the air, the water element. All these things matter a lot, which will depend on what kind of thoughts we are receiving. If we are letting in the sunlight to flow into the house easily, then we find the inmates are more healthier, more creative and more healthier. The main door counts a lot. The 4 lucky directions that are lucky, and there will be the 4 directions that are unlucky. The directions count a lot. For example, we know when we look to the east, we see the sunrise, and west is the sun setting. North is the direction for career, south is the direction for name, fame. Today I would give the most important thing, that is the colors that could be painted inside the house. In the northeastern sector and in the southwestern sector, you may have yellow and brown shades to be painted on walls. You may use lighter or darker shades as per your choice, but use yellow and the brown shades. In the north, it can be white, cream, or it can be light blue. In the east, it can be, in the east and southeast, it can be green color for the walls. You may use in the south red shade, light shade of red. In the southwestern, I said already, the yellow color or the brown color, it is the relationship, spouse relationship area. On the west and northwest, you may use the metallic color. These colors would help you to bring in the right amount of vibration of that element which is in that area. East represents wood, southeast represents wood, so that can be green. Northeast represents earth, southwest represents earth. Even the center of the house can be yellow or brown. They are all in alignment. North sector could be white or blue. Northwest and west could be metallic. So try using these colors when you paint the homes and you see the difference. It would add to all the qualities that are related to that particular sector. Try using these colors and you will find there's development and change in some of the characteristics about the studies of your children, the relationships in your family, they becoming harmonious, and good thoughts prevailing in the home, which would lead to a harmonious life for all of you. Try this, it should help you. Help your friends who require some changes in the environment of their homes with a good color painting.